everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. This is Chaitanya. Today topic is creation of column by using Autocad. So first we need to open software. I already changed the layout of Autocad. Like go to settings, click 3D modeling. Then we get the 3D working space. So first we need to design the cross section of column. So go to top view, take line, design column design, design whatever you want. Trim unnecessary things. Shortcut for trim, TR double enter. After the cross section design, select revolve, select all design, hold shift, deselect axis line, enter, draw lines from start point to end point, then rotate 360 degree, enter. Go to 3D view, change realistic, select, take 3D rotate along y-axis, apply material for this. Shortcut for material application, MAT enter. Select any of the material. Right click, assign to selection. This step we can create the column. Thank you for watching this video.